Welcome to MrCross.org, and this is going to be a training video on Google Documents, and we're going to start with this whole series of Google Documents to try to explain how to use all of the different fancy features that there are. It's a really great, easy to use, fun program that you can use for creating documents, spreadsheets, presentations, drawings, forms. So I'm going to kind of go over the basics real quick of logging in, how to work with different documents, and how to create fantastic looking information that you can use at school or work. So first of all, you're going to go to the google.com/accounts, or you're going to go to Gmail that you already might have a Gmail account, or you're going to go to your Google Documents account like I am right here, and you're going to be able to sign in, and that's using your email and your password. So this is tied to Gmail, this is tied to Blogger. They're all kind of one big happy family, and they all work off the same login, which is great actually. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and sign in. When you sign into docs.google.com, which I just did, you're going to see all of the items that you have. So this is going to be every single item that you've created in Google Documents. And before I get in too far, I want to show you right here in the Create New tab, you can create a document, presentation, spreadsheet, form, and drawing just by clicking on that button. And we're going to go in my further lessons into each one of these individual programs, and we're going to look at all the features and options and how to use them. Let's look at the screen a little bit more. You have a folder section, and so you can actually organize all of your documents into folders, which is very handy. You may want to put like I have all my folders into classes, so I have different classes that are using Google Documents. I organize it in those classes, and it helps me keep organized. One of the new features they've added is that you can share the folders, so I can create a folder and I can share it with somebody else, and they have access to all the items in that folder. So there's lots of different ways you can do it, and that's really what Google Docs is about. It's about collaboration. It's about being able to share your files. It's about working on stuff real time. Owned by me is items that you own. These are items that you have created. Opened by me is items that you have opened, and this could be from somebody else or you. Shared with me means this is items that other people have created that are sharing with you. So if a student, say, had created a file, you would be able to see it right here if they shared it with you. If you star an item, you would see it here, and that's if you go to all items here, you'll see you get this little thing where you can make a star by it. And if I go to the starred items, you'll see that now shows up there. It's a good quick way. Maybe you want to star 5 or 6 things to look at later. You can just star them and look at them. I've seen users use the stars for all kinds of different things, so you want to check that out. Hidden, again, files that you've hidden. Trash, or things that you've thrown away, so maybe you just didn't use it very much. Items by type, you can sort them by documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and drawings. One of the things I always like to remind everybody is that up here in the Google Docs, you have the power of Google's search engine. So if you're looking for a document, say from many weeks ago, and you cannot remember what's going on with it, you can actually type something pretty close into here and get something. So I'm going to try to do docs, because I do a lot of stuff with docs, and I'm just going to search that. And these are all of the files that have something to do with Google Docs, or something that I've been working on with Google Docs. And this is a really cool way to just search through all your documents. And trust me guys, there's a big difference between Google's search engine and other search engines out there. So this is really a powerful tool, the way it categorizes and organizes your information. You're able to find anything you're missing. So it's a really great program. In the next instructional video, I'm actually going to dive into one of the Google Documents, and we're going to actually just look at creating a document, a basic word processing document. And we're going to go through the features and the functions. So make sure to take a look at that, and thank you for visiting MrCross.org.